Bellas, Dior has a new innovative lipstick in the Forever collection. This is Rouge Dior Forever, the first transfer-proof, as I say, transfer-proof lipstick in a bullet format. So it's great because it'll fit in your pocket or a small purse or a clutch. Let me tell you, sisters, this is ultra pigmented, okay? The intense colors are so concentrated in this floral lip care. So you're getting comfort and treatment. It's gonna give you a 16-hour wear without compromising. Can I say that again? 16-hour wear. You have your next wedding, you need a long-wearing lip. My brides, how about just the everyday woman? We need a lip that's not gonna bleed. All day long, Rouge Dior Forever Transfer Proof Lipstick is resistant to contact. Kiss proof? So you can kiss your beau all night. Even with the fabrics, touching anything, you can have a greasy meal, you're still going to have your lips revealed in the most perfect way. So I'm trying some fun shades, the colors that I like that I wanted to share with you. I will list all the colors below in the description, but they just glide on so nicely. Oh my God, I love the infused peony extract in these lipsticks. So as I said, the treatment is amazing. An iconic ingredient is the heart of Dior's collection, you know, that rose, to help maintain your natural lip hydration. So they are thinking of our treatment of our lips. Not only are we getting the cosmetic feel of a great lip and long wearing, but we're getting our lips plumped and hydrated. The feel is comfortable and supple. From morning until night, your lips are enhanced with color that remains intact and intense. You will never, ever have to touch up. It is literally transfer proof. Okay, the colors can express its full intensity. As you see, the pigments are intense and deep. Rich and varied in range, so you will have a wide selection, ladies. The iconic tone-on-tone trendy shades will be perfect. Thanks for watching.